Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. In this video, I'm putting my life in my own hands by letting my daughter wax my brows.
Mom, be quiet.
So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back and we're gonna be using this Gigi
Bring your hair back.
Pure Honey waxing kit. And this is the first time she's done this. She's looking forward to it because she gets to hear me scream, ow, like that.
You good? It's just like, ow.
So she's gonna do this on me because I forgot to ask the ladies who did our nails today. Shout out to what? T-Nails? T-Nails. Shout out to T-Nails in Morrow, Georgia for taking care of our nails and feet. They have been doing it for years. And when I can't afford them, I'll do it myself. Hence those videos that you see on YouTube. But anyway.
I put too much.
Put too much. Oh, it's string.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so she's working on me. So just to let you know,
You gotta go against the grain. Ooh.
ouch.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You really got me there. Okay. All right. You gonna do right here? Can you do right here? Oh, that's too much hair.
I can do it, but don't be.
No, never mind. Never mind. That's gonna hurt.
Exactly. Don't be like, ow, you hurt me.
That's gonna hurt. So she's working on me. I just finished taking off all my makeup. And so she's gonna work on me and get that other side together.
I didn't do the top part.
Now, just to tell you, I'm an old girl. I'm 50. Ouch.
See?
Okay, not bad, not bad. I'm 50 years old, so I don't get my eyebrows waxed very much because I won't have any. So I preserve my brows. I may get them done once or twice a year at the most. And so we invested in this Gigi. Why
you keep saying Gigi?
We invested in Gigi, which you can purchase at, where do we get this? Beauty Supply?
Local beauty supply.
We got this at the local beauty supply, but I believe you can get it at Sally's. We are not sponsored by no products sponsor us, so we're just doing this because we're trying it. And so you too can do this at home, especially if you have a great helper.
I know I'm using the same one, but I'm not trying to waste them.
I know. They cut them into smaller pieces.
So it looks better, right? I'm gonna get that too.
Yeah, right here.
I know it. I know I'm in Edwina's spot right now.
Oh yeah, she's a little. Our dog has
created a little spot over here on my clothes, on my dirty clothes.
Yeah, we won't show down there.
But she pulled them out from the hamper and was like, "These are mine now. I'm the captain now." If you get that reference.
Captain of my ship.
Have you ever seen Captain Phillip? That movie with Tom Hanks and the Sudanese guys?
Oh, yeah. He says, yeah, I'm the captain now.
I'm the captain now.
Yes.
That's what he said.
Well, that's what Edwina says in our whole house. She says, I am the captain now. She thinks you're running things.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do your...
I'm going to do my lip. Because I really need the lip part. Ooh, jeez. Okay, so like I said, how much did this cost us? This
It's $60.
about $60. And let's say, how much does it cost you to get your brows waxed?
$7.
And then your lip.
Ooh, I don't want to tear your lip off. I might have to take some of that off. Yeah. I know I'm getting that all over you, but still.
Really, you know I got the little right here on the ends.
Yeah, I'm about to get them too. But maybe a minute, because it's the wax. The longer it stays on there, the much more it's gonna hurt. All right, calm down. Stop being so tense.
Ow! Oh,
but
okay.
I did get some.
It took it off. It took it.
I got you.
Took it off. Woo!
I know it's a little.
That's stuck. That's stuck.
You see, my lip is red. Doing my own mustache. Okay, I'm gonna get the little sides right here. That shouldn't be that much, because that one's easy. The hard part is doing the whole lip.
Ah,
sorry.
That does hurt.
Okay, let me go on the other side. My back hurt. You too short for this.
I still need a little bit more on this side, on the edge.
You're just gonna have to shave it.
Oh. She got me tearing, y'all. She got me tearing. Actually, my eyes just tear anyway. Ouch.
All right, let me get this part right here.
How much does it cost for them to do your mustache?
I don't know, actually.
Okay. Probably a little bit more than your brows. Ouch.
Sorry.
Okay. You could still get like right here, and right here.
Not my fault you got a whole beard going on, a whole mustache.
I know, I
You got a handlebar or something? Okay, so I'm gonna get this wax off. You see this? It comes with the kit, by the way.
Yeah, so the kit comes with a pre-epilation cleanser.
Which is unnecessary. Most of the stuff is unnecessary.
A slow grow hair minimizer. What is that?
It's the wax off.
Oh, it's to take the wax.
Yeah, so use a, just rub it in. It'll get some of the wax off. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with this slow grow, which is actually very beneficial.
Okay.
It helps a lot. So here, take some of that. Put some on your eyebrows. I'm gonna put them on your eyebrows. Right here.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Because that helped my eyebrows. Because when I'm lazy and I don't want to do all that extraness, I go to the nail salon. But the thing is, they don't put on anything else after that. So then you come back wanting more.
Okay, so it also comes with these sticks. What else does it come with? These strips.
Actually, I bought those.
Oh, you bought this,
but it does come with its own strips. But they're like the
oh, the muslin. They're the muslin strips. Actually, those probably work pretty good.
No, they don't. They're all right.
Okay, well.
But those
let me put some of that.
Pre-epilation strips are good too.
Okay, where's the clean? I'll put a little bit of that right here. Okay. So it's a little red, but okay, here's the actual machine that you can get from Sally's. We got this from the beauty supply locally, not Sally's, but you can get it from Sally's. I know that for a fact. And it comes with the wax, right?
Yes, it comes with the wax.
It comes with the wax. It warms the wax for you, and then all those other items. So back to the video. So this is me done, And I'm going to go ahead and continue to wash my face because I missed some spots on my face. And thank you, JL. And until next time, wait.
Stay wookie.
Stay wookie.